Today we're working on a 335 E92 with a 328 conversion. We're taking this 328, 335, running full custom 3-inch exhaust, maximizing performance, and making this sound like an absolute beast. While we're working on this 3-inch exhaust, let me show you around the shop. You got Matt welding up the back end. He's running these precision welds. Got the hangers pretty much set. Got the 3-inch all the way through. This system's pretty much done. We're gonna crank it in a second, let you guys hear it. We got Marcelo working on this Mini Cooper S. This thing's a pretty sweet ride. Very complicated exhaust. We're running some custom exhaust systems. Now most shops, they don't use these custom Y pipes. We actually order special Y pipes for certain cars to make sure everything fits like a glove. So you see Marcelo, he's basically using this custom Y to get the pipes around this little tank of a box right there. Otherwise, you know, Y pipes are usually straight. This one's kind of split to the sides, called a butterfly Y, made by Magnaflow. And we're just slapping some tips on there, calling it a custom Muffy D, baby. So the shop's pretty packed today. We're slapping this AFE air intake on this RT Challenger. We got this Sierra GMC 6.3 or 5.3, not 100% sure. But we're just doing a Flowmaster exhaust on that one. And then we got this GTC exhaust coming soon, guys. Wait for it. Got the air intakes in there already. Sounds like a tank. And it's a GTC. All right, guys, a moment of truth. We're about to crank this thing up. Let's hear how it sounds. Nice clean idle, nothing super aggressive. This will be loud under a load, but we're about to rev it. Check out that decibel meter. Let's see what it hits. Clean, super clean. Hit 112 or something like that. I think it was perfect. Customer's happy. He looks happy, right? But yeah, always happy at G Exhaust, guys. The car sounds unbelievable. Got the 3-inch exhaust on this 328 conversion. It is a 335 with a massive turbo. I'm gonna pop the hood so you guys can see it. But came out great. Single exit out the back, just like the customer wanted. If you need parts like this, you hit us up, DM us, reach out in the comments, gexhaust.com. We got G Exhaust Davie, G Exhaust Oakland Park, West Palm Beach coming soon, and we're franchising. So looking for a franchise opportunity, hit us up, guys. Check this out. We're gonna show you the interior real quick. Got the Ricardo Spectro seats, full for racing. I mean, come on, you can't get much more racing than that seat right there. Got the red interior on this thing, carbon fiber steering wheel. Got the whole gut. You see, he's trying to gut it. It's for weight distribution. Pop the hood, show you guys the engine real quick. Sheesh. See that thing? Beast setup. It's rocking, man. It's ready to roll. You see this car on the road? Be careful. It's not a 328, guys. It will smoke you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, all the platform, guys. And reach out if you have any questions, guys. Peace.